This is how to plan your studies if you are a private candidate doing A-level chemistry. As a private candidate, you will mostly struggle with discipline and then understanding some of the concepts as well. So let's tackle this one by one. The first thing we're going to tackle is the discipline part. It's going to be really difficult for you to go from like not doing much into suddenly doing a lot. So what you want to do is to start building up slowly so that you'll be prepared for the exams. I would suggest, in order for you to not get burnt out, is to study every single day, but some days more than others. So I would do like Monday, do like 4 hours of studying, Tuesday just 2 hours, Wednesday 4 hours, and then alternate that basically. For me personally, I prefer to do the Pomodoro technique. So I would do the Pomodoro while I'm studying every single day, basically. It just helps me to not get bored, and it gives me like enough time to take a break as well. It does not matter what you do on the break, like literally it doesn't matter at all. I play with my phone when I'm doing Pomodoro, but you just have to be disciplined about it. If you hear the alarm ring, then stop playing with your phone. If you hear the alarm ring to stop studying, then you stop studying. I also find like study with me is very helpful as well, so I watch like Pomodoro with study with me sessions. So now let's talk about how to understand the content. A-level chemistry is really repetitive. That's the good thing about it. You can kind of just go along with just memorizing things, but you do need to have some of the things where you have to memorize the theory as well. When it comes to big concepts that you struggle to understand, I would turn it into a mind map. Now, this isn't an example of it because obviously this is a flowchart, not a mind map, but this is the flowchart for organic chemistry that I made in order to help me like memorize all of the mechanisms and all of the reagents and conditions as well. Now, what you need to do for the concepts is to turn it into something like this, which is not done yet. But you have like the title of it, this is what I'm doing in uni, and then all of the equations that you're gonna need, turn it into a mind map, and then wait, I think I have an example. Again, it's not done yet, but it should look something like this, where you have the title and then like bridge it out into all of the things that you know about it. What I did when I was studying for chemistry, when I didn't understand something and I was too scared to ask my tutor, I literally would break down the concept and then relate it into like real world scenarios. I have quite a good imagination, so I'm able to do this quite easily. For example, if I'm looking at the ionization energies, I can see it as like literally electrons coming towards it and then they repel, so they push it off, things like that, you know? But if you struggle with doing this, if you struggle with like imagining what's happening, ChatGPT can help you. Make use of ChatGPT because you're living in a time where you do have access to it, you know? But yeah, after that, it's just practice because I said it's all very repetitive. And good luck!